Good morning, world. Well, it's actually afternoon. I think it's like noon.
It's like 1.
Yeah. But it is day 2 in St. Petersburg. We got to sleep in. And
we didn't just wake up.
We didn't just wake up. Well, we've been like lounging around relaxing because we're about to go on another tour in St. Petersburg. We're going to go walk around. So yesterday we went to Pushkin and Petrov, but this time we're actually going into St. Petersburg. Okay, Lauren, we saw now 3 palaces, but technically the outside one. Out of the 3, which one is your future home? By the way, it's really windy. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear anything I'm saying.
That's the tour. It's going to sound really bad, but the 2 we saw yesterday are kind of blending together.
I like the grounds of the, what was the Petrov, the one with the fountains. I love the, I don't want to say courtyard, but like the thing right back here at the Winter Palace.
Yeah.
But the interior of Catherine's Palace.
Yeah, I think I was kind of thrown off. We didn't really see much living quarters. They were like, here is what used to be the bed chambers, but then they converted it to a waiting area, and then they converted it to a den, and then they converted it into like a bed chamber. That makes sense. Then I was like, how did they convert all these things? Because they still had to live it. I don't know.
It makes sense. I agree. So our walking tour has brought us to the Cathedral Spilled Blood. Yes, it is right. Oh, can't really show it to you guys, but it's right there.
Sorry, I was gonna go look down the.
Oh, no, you're good. You're good. You got excited. Where are we gonna look? Oh, cool. But we're at the Cathedral of Spilled Blood. We're looking around. We're exploring. It's beautiful. Right, Lauren? I love you. How's the drawing, Lauren?
It's great.
Oh no, was that my cue? Hiya folks, it's me again. Just want to remind you, we got a big surprise coming up soon. Oh.
This looks really good.
Yay! This is like very
Are you excited, Lauren?
I'm so excited.
You don't even know what's about to happen. Oh, that guy. Oh, there I am. Hey, there's me. There you are, honey. Look at that. Look at that. Look at your drawing right next to me. You're famous, honey. How do you feel? What'd you think? What'd you think, Lauren?
Farewell to Russia.
Goodbye, Russia. Hello, Estonia.
That's not Estonia.
No, I know, but that is Russia still. And history lesson from Lauren. And
So,
go.
Peter the Great. That's basically all you need to know.
Who was Peter the Great? What did he do?
Everything. All the things. We all exist because of him.
No, we don't. But
Pretty sure.
Russia.